Jeep is boldly entering a whole new category with the upcoming 2025 Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle. This is not your average sport utility vehicle. It is a purpose-engineered machine crafted specifically for law enforcement agencies, VIP transport, and emergency response units. Designed with direct collaboration from multiple government branches, this special edition Wagoneer transforms from a luxurious full-size SUV into a full-fledged mobile operations center. At first glance, it may just appear like a rugged and upscale family hauler, but beneath the surface lies an impressive suite of specialized gear built for serious missions. The factory-installed upfit package brings together an advanced integrated lighting and electrical system featuring dual visor-mounted light bars in both the front and rear, grille-mounted and side-mounted emergency lighting, and a rear interior window light bar. A powerful siren system is tucked behind the grille, linked to a dedicated in-cabin control panel for quick access. The cargo area has been reimagined to safely store tactical gear and weapons, with smart compartmentalization. Jeep has also wired the vehicle to support mission-essential tech like radar systems, communication radios, modems, printers, and much more, all ready to be plugged in and deployed at a moment's notice. Inside, the Wagoneer Command offers seating for up to 8 passengers, with premium leather upholstery and tri-zone climate control, ensuring comfort for all occupants, even during long hours on duty. Safety was clearly a top priority, with Jeep packing over 130 standard safety and driver assistance technologies. Among them, intersection collision assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, forward collision warnings with automatic emergency braking, night vision capability, a 10-inch head-up display, and an all-encompassing 360-degree camera system. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Stellantis' 3-liter twin-turbocharged Hurricane inline 6-cylinder engine, pushing out a formidable 420 horsepower. It launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, a remarkable feat for a vehicle of this size and purpose. Standard Quadra-Lift air suspension with automatic load leveling ensures smooth handling and balance, even when fully packed with personnel and gear. Additional high-tech conveniences include remote start, remote locking, real-time vehicle health reports, and support in the event of theft. While pricing details have not yet been disclosed, government entities can place orders right now. If your department or agency is looking to enhance its fleet with a no-nonsense, ready-for-action command vehicle, the Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle could be exactly what you need. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest in automotive innovation.